Question number 1. Which of the following physical quantity has a unit but no dimension? First one, Planck's constant. We know that it has dimensions. Dimensions of Planck's constant ml squared t minus 1. And we can use these dimensions to write corresponding unit, SI unit. Second one, surface tension. We know that dimensions of surface tension mt minus 2. There are dimensions and there are units. Energy, third one, energy. Dimension of energy ml squared t minus 2. There are dimensions and there are units. SI unit is joules, so we can write by using these dimensions. Then relative velocity. When considering relative velocity, it means it is a sum of two velocities, so difference between two velocities. Therefore, dimension of velocity is same as velocity. Relative velocity dimension is same as velocity Lt minus 1. Therefore, we can get unit is meters per second. There is a unit and dimension. But fifth one, sound intensity level. We can measure sound intensity level by decibel. We know that it is B equals 10 log 10 of I divided by I naught. I is the corresponding intensity and I naught is the threshold intensity for the human ear. Then there is a ratio, and we know that log term has no dimensions. 10 is a number, therefore sound intensity level has no dimensions, but unit of sound intensity level is decibel. There is a unit but no dimensions. Then answer for the first question should be 5. Then question number 2. In a vernier caliper, the main scale 1 centimeter has 20 subdivisions. The length of 19 main scale subdivisions has equally been divided into 20 vernier scale divisions. What is the least count of the caliper? We can get that main scale, vernier scale. Length of one main scale division part is 1 centimeter divided by 20. 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters divided by 20. It means 0.5. Then 0.5 is the length of a part of main scale into 19 divisions coinciding with 20 x parts. X is the length of one vernier scale division. Then we can get 0.5 times 19. 0.5 times 19 should be equals to x times 20. 0.5 into 19, 9.5 divided by 20 is the length of one vernier scale division in millimeters. Then we can use the equation. Least count is main scale division minus vernier scale division. Main scale division is 0.5 millimeters. It means we can write it 10 over 20. 0.5 means half. We can write it 10 over 20 minus 9.5 over 20. Then it is 0.5 over 20. We can divide it. 0 divided by 20, 0. 5 divided by 20, 0. 50 divided by 22. 10 remaining, 100 divided by 25. 0.025 millimeters. Then answer should be first one for the question number 2.